Welcome to Bremer Waters Retirement Village in the suburb of Moores Pocket. Yet again, we have another great home on offer. The house has recently been recarpeted and is ready for you to move in. And this villa has one of the bigger backyards in the village, which is currently a blank canvas, so you can make it your own. Bremer Waters Retirement Village is a cut above the rest. With resort-style facilities, you'll think every day is a holiday. Facilities including swimming pool, bowling green, tennis court, your very own golf course, and other activities. The community here is great. With like-minded people, you'll always feel safe living at Bremer Waters.